In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT response faster. Sometimes we might notice that ChatGPT takes longer than usual to generate a response. This often happens when there are too many saved conversation in our ChatGPT, which can slow things down. So, to keep ChatGPT running smoothly and responding faster, have two simple things that we can do. First, we should delete our unnecessary chats that we won't use anymore. We should clear down unnecessary chat from the ChatGPT memory or history. Second thing is that in case of infrequent or irregular queries, we should use temporary chat instead of using new chat. Let's say I want to know that convert 100 USD to euro. So this kind of queries are infrequent queries in case of me. So instead of using new chat, here I can use or turn on temporary chat. The benefit of using temporary chat, it won't save the history, it won't use the memory of ChatGPT. So ultimately, it doesn't make ChatGPT load slower. Rather, it can make ChatGPT load faster. So in case of our infrequent queries, we should use temporary chat instead of new chat.